planning to go. I knew he was loved.
At first, there were only a few of us who listened. Farmers and fishermen, women and children. But slowly his following began to grow, and soon he was the talk of the countryside. All through Galilee and Judea, he drew crowds and amazed people with his teaching and his miracles. He healed the sick, the blind, and the lame. He touched a young boy's luncheon, multiplied it into food for thousands. He even raised the dead. But it was more than what he said or did that drew us to him. It was who he was. There was nothing self-righteous or religious about it. He ate with sinners. He laid his hands on lepers. He befriended women. Jesus was a man who genuinely loved people, all people. They could feel it.
I saw the stones ready to be hurled at me, and I suddenly felt the shame of my sin and the fear of its penalty. Then Jesus stepped between me and the angry crowd. He covered me with his robe and said, "Let the one who has never sinned throw the first stone." And one by one they left, until there was only Jesus. Jesus and me.
When you see the light on darkness, you know when it's finally light.
Saan yung boses nyo? Hindi ko kayo matutulungan. I only knew he was love. Tatlong beses yan. At bakit hindi kayo kumakanta? Siya na lang natira. Ay, or